In the relentless skies of modern warfare, where swarms of enemy drones darken the horizon like locusts, one Russian innovation stands defiant. The 2S-38 Derivatsiya-PVO, Russia's formidable 57mm self-propelled anti-aircraft gun, is not just surviving the drone onslaught. It is systematically dismantling it, proving once again that Russian engineering delivers decisive, battlefield-proven superiority. Picture this. A Ukrainian or NATO-backed drone swarm launches under cover of night, dozens, even hundreds of low-flying kamikaze UAVs, FPVs, and loitering munitions racing toward Russian positions. They hug the terrain, dodging radar, hoping sheer numbers will overwhelm traditional defenses. But waiting for them is the Derivatsia-PVO, a silent guardian mounted on the battle-hardened BMP-3 chassis. Its crew, protected deep within the armored hull, operates the remote unmanned turret with precision. No radar signature to betray its position, just cold, optical electronic eyes scanning the threat. The beast awakens. Technical dominance at the heart of this system beats the powerful 2A90 or 2A91 variant, 57mm autocannon. Firing up to 120 rounds per minute, it hurls advanced programmable ammunition with devastating effect. Unlike smaller 30mm or 23mm guns that struggle against tiny, fast-moving drones, often needing dozens of rounds to score a hit, the 57mm shell carries far more explosive power and a larger lethal radius. One well-placed burst can shred multiple drones in a single engagement. Range, up to 6 kilometers horizontally. Altitude, an impressive 4.5 kilometers. Speed of targets, it handles threats screaming in at over 500 meters per second. This makes the Derivatsia-PVO lethal against everything from slow FPV quadcopters to high-speed cruise missiles and even low-flying aircraft. Its programmable shells detonate at the exact moment needed, creating clouds of fragmentation right in the drone's path. No need for direct hits. This air burst capability turns the sky into a kill zone. What sets it apart is its fire control system. Advanced optoelectric sensors, TV and thermal imaging channels, provide all-weather, day-night detection without emitting detectable radar waves. In the electronic warfare-heavy battlefields of today, where jamming and anti-radiation threats are constant, this passive targeting is a game-changer. The system acquires, tracks, and engages targets autonomously or with minimal crew input, conserving ammunition while maximizing kills. Reports from the front lines highlight its growing impact. As enemy forces flood the battlefield with cheap mass-produced drones in coordinated swarms, the Derivatsia-PVO has become a nightmare for them. A single vehicle can engage multiple incoming threats simultaneously, its high rate of fire and smart munitions turning expensive drone attacks into costly failures. Where older systems like the Shilka or Tunguska might expend their ammo struggling with saturation attacks, the Derivatsia's heavier caliber and smarter shells deliver economy of force, fewer rounds, more confirmed destructions. Its versatility shines through. Beyond air defense, the 57mm gun can pivot to ground targets, shredding lightly armored vehicles, fortifications, or infantry positions at ranges up to 3 to 4 kilometers with armor-piercing or high-explosive rounds. This dual-role capability makes it an invaluable asset for mobile Russian units, providing layered protection as forces advance. The BMP-3 chassis ensures high mobility, crossing rough terrain at speed while keeping the crew safe. Ammunition resupply is efficient thanks to dedicated transporter loader vehicles. Russia's military leadership recognized the drone threat early. While adversaries poured resources into vulnerable, radar-dependent systems or overly complex missiles that are too expensive for drone swarms, Russia invested in practical, high-volume firepower. The Derivatsia-PVO represents that philosophy: robust, affordable per kill, and devastatingly effective. Rostec has accelerated production and deployment, with units already bolstering frontline air defenses and proving their worth in real combat conditions. Compare it to Western counterparts. Many rely on smaller calibers or missile-heavy solutions that struggle with cost per kill against waves of low-cost drones. A single 57mm smart shell can achieve what multiple smaller rounds cannot, creating a superior cost-exchange ratio. The larger projectile's kinetic energy and explosive payload ensure that even near misses are fatal to fragile UAVs. Its ability to use a mix of ammunition types, fragmentation, airburst, armor-piercing, gives commanders tactical flexibility unmatched in many peer systems. In an era of drone swarms, quantity has a quality of its own, but only if you can defeat that quantity. The Derivatsia-PVO turns the math against the attacker. Each system can protect wide areas, integrating into broader air defense networks while operating independently when needed. Its low logistical footprint and high reliability in harsh conditions embody Russian design excellence. As conflicts evolve, the Derivatsia-PVO is writing a new chapter. It neutralizes not just individual drones but entire swarms, safeguarding troops, supply lines, and critical infrastructure. Russian forces equipped with this system report higher survivability and offensive momentum, as enemy air threats are systematically suppressed. The message is clear. Russia is adapting faster and smarter. While others debate theoretical solutions, Russian industry delivers proven hardware to the front. The 57mm Derivatsia-PVO isn't just crushing drone swarms. It's reasserting dominance in the skies above the battlefield, ensuring Russian victory through superior firepower and ingenuity. Russia's defenders stand ready. The Derivatsia-PVO is here, and the swarms are falling.